Hello my good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's night, it is a night. Yeah, we are just sitting here on our sitting room with my father there, Bernardo Bonyo. That's the name for my father. Yeah. And there, that is Tony. Yeah, so you guys, we are just sitting here waiting for supper to be ready. You may be wondering who is in the kitchen. Let's go there. Yeah, today they wanted supper to be very fast, so they choose Dondieki to cook. You know, when I'm the one who is cooking in the kitchen, so they say supper will take a long time to be ready. You know, guys, for me when I cook, I must do a video for you guys. So today here is Ondieki. Thank you.
Iga. Hamna chumvi.
Hey, Tony. Hey, pole. You're not running. Be careful. Tony is cutting very big ugali. And you're pretending that you are just putting it on your plate and you wanted to put it on your mouth. How is the food?
Very sweet.
Yeah, guys, today our supper is very simple like this. You can see when my father, the other side, he's enjoying. There's another boy who is very silent. I don't know what's the problem. Ondieki, you are the one who...
Silent killing, silent moving.
Silent killing, silent moving. So was that how did that come in sector of
You can't understand.
And if I try to understand, I can't understand.
Yes.
Let me just mind my own business here. Ugali with managu, guys. This ugali. Here we have a managu. Managu kienyeji. Wow. It is very delicious, guys. Even though, you know, managu, guys, the taste of managu is like a little bitter, but not that bitter. Yeah, but it has a little bitter.
Gobeka paka uwazi.
Tony. Tony is watching me, guys.
Nini?
Bedrooms which are still under construction, the 2 bedrooms. So the one that participated yesterday from now it is important to understand why we went. It is because you see part of this program is eradication of informal settlements. Now informal settlements are of 2 types. You have an informal settlement that is on public land. You have informal settlement on private land. Earnings. Now, just this ICE Chigiti, who granted the orders, has stopped the movement of revenues related to tourism and tour services by Vodafone and Airtel until the matter is resolved. Take a listen. On that note, I'm going to step away from the news desk and walk over to the base. Where the Principal Secretary for Housing and Urban Development, Charles Singer, is in the house. Good to see you, PS. Good to see you too. How's things, all right? Going very well. I'm going to try and not make this too much tonight. Huh? I can tell you I have lost a lot of weight. What?